On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That a flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning, gang. What is going on, everybody? It's Tuesday. It's going to be a fun one today. Good to see everybody in the chat hanging out. Let's see what Bitcoin has today. Looks like we're trying to push back up, but I'm not too sure. I think there's some play at hand here. Well, guess what? We'll make money anyways. We've been crushing it lately. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Greed is now at 72. Wasn't that 44 yesterday? My God. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin pushing to the moon yesterday. Holy Scheisenhausen. Ooh-wee. What's going on? What's going on, Chad? Good to see you guys, man. Holy smokes. And ladies. We got a little bear div in here. Short-term time frames. A bull div in here. A bear div in here. Look, we're just diving. We're diving it up, baby. Diving it up. Which one is stronger, right? I would think this one down here. Okay, I like this. Little whoop. Okay. We've mitigated this high. I was going to short this morning, but too early. Way too early. Looks as though we are continuing to climb, holding VWAP right now. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Got that 24-minute bull div in here. We got that big explosion. And who got long here yesterday with you guys? We did. Congratulations on your gains. If you did take that trade, if you did take the re-entry, you made a lot of money yesterday. I managed to re-enter and make a lot of money yesterday. Okay, so incredible. Now, we've pushed up and retraced. Now, I would have liked to see a little bit lower down in here, but up only. We do have some crazy things coming our way today. Okay, crazy. Absolutely insane. Are we prepared? Yeah, we're always prepared, man. This is the Otter gang. Let's go. We're going to say good morning to everybody. Right now, trying to push up. We'll see how high we get. I'm looking somewhere in here, golden pocket. Retracement zone up in top. Looking for a little pop back down. We'll see. We'll see how it behaves on VWAP. Right now, it's been using VWAP as resistance, and now we've sort of flipped. Bull div flip, looking to target back up to the highs. We'll see if we do want to continue out of here. But let's say good morning to everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel, smashing up that like button. Good morning, King Beaver, Lord Otter, and the gang. What's going on, Paul Caruso? Good morning to you, my man. Chantel was the first one in here. Good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Dragonfly, D. Andrew Cameron, Deborah Sarmiento. What's going on? Morning, y'all. Good to see you, y'all. I like a y'all. I like y'all. Y'all's good. Y'all's right southern. I don't know how to do that accent. I try to just like conjure my inner McConaughey, I don't have that though. Oh, man. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Darshan Baba. What's going on? Dylan, Jesse, Paul Caruso, Avi Yoshi. Good time of the day. That's the one. Looking like we're holding VWAP right now. A little bit pushy here. We swept the high here with volume this morning, and we'll see how this continues to play out. Zeno with the pink hand. What's going on? Darren does things anonymous. What's going on? Good to see you as well. Dan Bartley. Tim Tortelloni, Luke Zaldana. Good morning, everyone. Honor, gang. Oh, yeah. My coffee feels a little bit weak this morning. This isn't a dad joke. It's just like it doesn't feel up to par. I had a good one already, but I'm on my second one, by the way. Marion, good morning to you. Looks like we're getting a little push here. I believe Face is live, and he's in a long too. So I think Face is long from here on ETH. Okay? You guys can go over and check out Crypto Face as well, man. Make sure you guys are supporting the Market Cypher crew. We love Market Cypher. Market Cypher is the best. Simply the best. Better than all the... Anyways, we don't have to go there. It's too early for Alex's horrible voice. Tom Crown says I need to fix my microphone. So I'm gonna go through and add some bass, baby. We're gonna get the... Remember when I lost my voice and I sounded like a radio guy? We're gonna go there. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to make lots of money today. All right. Nah, I'm gonna tweak a couple things. I think it's a bit pitchy. It's quiet or something like that. I don't know how I'm going to... It doesn't clip, but it doesn't deliver enough oomph, Aussie rules football, says Jay Violet. Is that that's where they can punch the ball and shit, right? That's yeah, no thank you. Anyways, we got a whole bunch of people here liking soccer. You see how I put it? My wife's British, okay? I put football first. I call it soccer. But I put football first out of respect. This is why you should like and subscribe. Okay? Respect. Imran, I lost. 550. That's life, man. Losing is part of trading. Risk management is also part of trading. So it depends on if that's I lose. I have quite a big account, and that's a good chunk of money. That's like 1.5% risk management for me, man. So unless you took like 3 trades or 4 trades, and that's what you lost. We'll see. Jay Violet in here. R Pink. Hammond D, what's going on? Gang. BC Porkor Bab Baptist, what's going on? BYT, good morning to you. Donato Cabrera. Harub, good morning to you. Nets, good to see you. Giandra Van Deventer. I like that. Rugby. I played rugby, and Canada loves rugby. I love hockey, yeah. I know. I'm a sucker for hockey. I actually played every sport. Like, you name it, I've played it. Cricket to tennis to the badminton team to the swimming team. I was a very big sports junkie as a kid. Now I play golf, baseball when I'm called upon. I played a lot of baseball. Good morning, everybody. Shark, Vin, good to see you. Airdropper, Dragonfly D, Steve, Hickey, what's going on? BC Porcorp. And I love hockey too. I play lots of hockey. I can skate like Jesus because I'm a small guy. So I have to be able to skate because I don't want to get squished. You know what I mean? I'm pretty good on those skates. So good morning, Blair Stevenson. Shinko, what's going on? Good morning to you. TF is also live. Maybe you can split screen us. I don't know. It's totally up to you. I would watch Face. I'm not here to take any clout from Face, man. He's the GOAT. He's the GOAT. He sponsors this channel. So if anything, you should go and watch Face, okay? What's going on? John Foster Crypto, Captain Pancakes. What's going on? Jesse Good Luck, Ando Poncho, G Corp, Rugby, Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Nice little push here on VWAP. Very low volume, okay? So we had the SFP of the high, okay? Came in, swept this. Failure to break down. We talk about bearish divergence, right? However, we got bullish divergence on a higher term time frame here. Really negates this. But I would like to see this. I'm looking to buy today just because of the news, okay? So we got some jolts coming out. Is it at 8:30? When's jolts coming out today? Is it 8:30 or 10? It's 10. So at 10 a.m., we got jolts, okay? I don't know why they call it jolts. Sounds like electric or something. The electric bill's coming. Anyways, jolts. And then there's supposed to be an announcement today from the crypto people at 2:30. So hold on to your horses, because this is going to be a fun ride today. Risk management being at the forefront of your strategy, okay? Good morning, the bravest toaster in the world. What's going on? Jeff Carlson, good to see you. Lewis, good to see you as well. French toaster, how's it going? Are you wearing roller skates this morning? I would love to know. You demand, Alex. Thank you, Dragonfly D. I appreciate this. I'm a very small man. I am a man, but you know, I wouldn't do so good in war times. It'd be a challenge, especially in medieval times. You ever wonder like what it would be like to be in medieval times? You think it's all cool and stuff. You want to be like a gladiator. You want to be a Spartan. My God, what a life. You only live till about 30. I'd be dead. What's the cowboy area of Canada? That would be Alberta. Alberta. We have the Calgary Stampede, where we all Albertans wear boots and cowboy hats, and we're like Texans, okay? But we're Canadian Texans, okay? It means we're a little bit better with the cold. We'll put it that way. We got Alberta beef. We got Wranglers. We got all the farmers. It's a pretty great place, actually, Alberta. And we got mountains. It's kind of like a Colorado or a Utah, I would suppose, mixed with Texas. So it's a pretty beautiful place. One of my favorite places to visit in the world. So, yeah, go and check it out, man. You won't be disappointed. Lucky deal, Luke Zaldana Tamale. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Just a sub. You're not weak. You're just getting stronger. Let's go. Let's go. It sounds like a Vegeta quote or something like that. R.S. Miller, good morning to you. Good to see you, man. How's it going? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. BC Port Corp, Gains for Life. What's going on as well? Hopefully you guys are doing well. Lunchable Connoisseur. I'm a big golf and UFC guy. Yeah, awesome. I mean, I'm totally hooked on golf. I have my putting mat over here to my right with my Scotty Cameron. Okay, you want to see my Scotty? If you're a golf fan, I can get you my Scotty. Here, let me get the Scotty out and show you the Scotty. Right, this is the putter of the gods. Okay, Scotty Cameron. This is like I think this is like $800 US. This putter. Super Select. Oh, the Newport 2. Beautiful, beautiful. I still miss a lot of putts. Okay, I still miss a lot of putts, but it's sexy. It makes me feel good about my poor game. We're showing putters here on a trading channel. If you want to become a good golfer, come here and subscribe because we'll teach you how to make money, be done at 10 a.m., and then you can go golfing for the rest of the day. That's a pretty good sales pitch for most people. My favorite is the broom sweeper. Are we Good morning, Mama Bull. Good to see you, Roaming Brave, the broom sweeper. Are we talking curling now? Oh, man, you guys are crazy. Much love to everybody here. Man City football. Man City football. I've been told I'm an Everton fan by my wife's Aston Villa. That's who my wife's family supports. So I'm a Villa fan. I think that's what they say. Didn't list any sports. What's up with that poll? Well, we can change the poll as we proceed. The weakest ones will get knocked out. Okay. Come on, hockey, man. There's nothing more manlier than hockey. Have you ever been body checked at 60 kilometers an hour? No, you haven't. You haven't. Football people, I mean, the NFL, they're big and they hit you hard, but you're not going 60 kilometers an hour. I'm sorry. By a guy who has 3 teeth. You guys are up to no good already. OG Blockchain, what's going on? Good to see you. Much love to you. BC Paul Caruso. Just chopping on VWAP here. No trade yet. I would like to see a sweep down into this liquidity. We'll see if we get it. I am bullish today. Going into the jolts, going into this announcement. We'll see. Roaming Brave, what's going on? Momo Bull, RS Miller. Jesus was a figure skater. Okay. Darren does things. What's going on? He's reminding us it's at 10 a.m. Auto Crypto. What's going on? Good to see you, Wolf and Bear. Football. Trade Intuition. What's going on, man? Go and check out Trade Intuition. Another streamer. BC Pork Corp. EN. What's going on? Just a sub. Tamale. News today with Trump. Yeah, there was supposed to be an announcement about crypto something. We'll see at 2:30, I believe. I had the post somewhere on Twitter. I don't know if I'm going to find it. Interesting to say the least. Can it continue? Otherwise, we'll just go to McDonald's, man. McDonald's is always hiring. Smiles are free. Spoon, good morning to you. Zena, I think I saw Zena's pink hand as well. We got pink hands going on in here. Lee, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Paul Caruso, master editor. Nice to see you as well. Dylan, what's going on? Yeah, those are sick. The grip. Did you like the grip? Sold. Yes, curling. We're going curling. We should all do like an outing and where we all go curling. Curling's actually no, it's not fun. It's not fun. We used to do school trips, okay? Curling is the one where they throw the big marble slabs. You got the big handle, right? You throw these things. We used to go school trips for these curling things, right? And you know, it's like bowling but on ice, right? And then we used to sit on the curling rods as kids with our legs out like this, right? And we used to play bumper cars, and the teacher would get so pissed off at us. So there'd be all these kids, you know, going down this lane, and you'd have like kids on curling rocks, and you'd face off at each other, and then you'd sweep in between, and then you'd hit each other. It was that was our version of curling. Dangerously fun though. Dangerously fun. Who has school trips to go curling? let me ask you that. Have you guys ever been curling? Frisbee golf. Okay. I'm insanely white, and that is too white for me. Villa are a bunch of wankas. Oh man, I don't watch football, but hockey is pretty brutal. Yeah. Have 3 teeth because Canadian healthcare sucks. Healthcare here is actually really good. It just takes a long time to get any kind of service. New Zealand All Blacks. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with those guys, but I mean, they're big boys. They do their little chant where they get all excited and they go, hoorah, hoorah, da, 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 ah. You know, those Aussie, those rugby guys. And then, and then you add skates and speed to someone like that, right? That's the difference. I mean, just go on YouTube and look up best hockey hits, and you will see why hockey is the most vicious sport, okay? How am I doing today, Alex? I'm doing great, man. One thing I am struggling with is sleep right now. Okay? And my wife's probably in the background laughing because we have our 5-month-old son, and he's going through that kind of sleep deprivation thing where he still thinks there's like a point in a kid's early childhood where he goes back to sleeping like an infant, like a very small. So his broken sleep every 2 hours, every hour, he's up. So I've ended up sleeping on the couch 2 nights in a row. And, that's never the same. I mean, I got some sleep. I'm good. I'm good to go. I wouldn't be trading if I wasn't good to go. The number one rule I have about my trading is how am I doing, right? If I'm not there, how can I perform, right? This is a full contact sport, this trading. We got a very ugly balloon dog here, okay? Very ugly. Like this dog has neck problems, okay? But we do have a balloon dog here. Definitely neck problems, man. I don't know what's going on with this. I would have liked to see this, right? And it has like a really bad back, I would say. We'll see how this goes. I play chicken. I play the odds. Oh, man. Frisbee golf. I don't know. It's better than telling your... I won't go there. Top down. Yeah, we're going to do top down here. You're right, Crypto Cave. We should do top down. Good morning, Vietnam. Alex O'Crypto. Quick question. As I have to leave soon today, I can send you via Discord private message a set of questions that would help a lot my trading. Yeah, sure, man. Just come over into the Discord. I'll get to it. Come into the regular chat here. Go at Tony Soprano and at Alex O'Crypto. Okay, make sure you tag Tony too and ask away. Tony likes a good question. Tag Tony. There. Okay, you can see here. But yeah, come over and ask your questions, man. I'd love to help you, man. Doesn't need to be private. I'm sure a lot of people also have questions like that. If it's money, maybe it needs to be private, but come over and hang out. But make sure you do tag Tony as well. Tony loves a good conversation. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. Army Piper, up or down, bro? You got to tell the people. What is going to go on with Jolt's job openings? Because I have no clue. R.S. Miller R.S. Miller knows what's up. Curling was fun. It was actually go to the curling rink. They have a separate rink for curling. Who would have thought? And it's fun. They get pretty passionate there on the curling rink. Them sweepers, man. They're intense. School trips in Austria were squash and ice skating. That's the one sport I haven't played a lot of is squash. I love tennis. I love ping pong. Like family tradition is ping pong here. We have a table. We used to play all the time. So it's like, bring your ping pong skills if you're coming to Vegas. And there's a table. You ready to lose? Also bringing my golf clubs to Vegas. If anybody wants to kick my ass in golf, I would love for you guys to come over to Vegas and kick my ass. Scuba diving all the way. My best friend scuba dives quite a lot. My wife is scuba certified. I always called cleaning the lady championships. Where did your school, wherever you're from, go and play sports? I would love to know this. CZ started at McDonald's. Good morning, Alex. Good to see you. David Brumbelow in the chat. My man. Hopefully you're doing well. Looks like we're holding VWAP here. Darren does things. Hockey is not for namby-pambies. That's for sure, man. That's it. It's called haka. Yeah, that's the angry rugby dance that they do. That's good. I mean, I worked with some Kiwis in Australia when I lived there. Big boys, man. Big boys. But great people. Great people. Sleep regression period 4 to 6. My daughter is currently going through it as well. Welcome to the jungle, man. Welcome to the jungle. Sleep regression 4 to 6. Yeah. It's my wife is a soldier and she is like tough as nails, but holy smokes, man. Like tough time. Like have kids, they said. It's my fault, really. I wanted kids. We weren't going to have kids initially. We were just going to travel the world. And we were traveling the world for 3 years, living in the UK, Scotland, went to Portugal, Greece, Bali, Australia, lived in Australia. So we traveled a lot for 3 years. We came back to Canada, and all of a sudden we're like, oh, you want to have children? Oh. And now we're here. So, wild times. This is not tradable. Let's put it that way. Unless you're on, let's go 30-second time frame here. We can go 30-second time frame. Look at this beautiful higher low, higher high. Yeah, not tradable right now, my friends. Just kind of stalling out. Liquidity below. Okay. Bearish divergence. We haven't had a significant real structure break, but we're going to do top down now before we continue on talking about sports on here, okay? Let's do top down. Let's go through this. What areas are we looking for? If you're new here, subscribe. Thank you for being here. Much love to every single one of you guys. We are currently growing and showing how it's done recently. So it's been a doozy of 2 days. V-shaped recovery. Coming back in here. Not even coming to like a golden pocket area, like we're just blasted through stuff. So, not even if you went up here, which I don't suggest. I'd suggest going from this high, but no golden pocket retracement, just straight off, lift off, coming back in, reclaiming this range. Okay, so can we hold, right? We got a nice volume pocket in here. And we understand when we zoom out even more that, really this is the level that, Holdor or Gandalf, you shall not pass, needs to hold in order to continue bullish. However, the idea of, not coming back and retracing into here before going up is interesting. I think a lot of people did get long in here, maybe not on the full wick, but I think there is still some opportunity for price to come down to 95,000, okay? When we look at 95,000, what do we have at 95,000? Well, we have a big ass order block and a big ass golden pocket. Okay, so just keeping it real with you guys, it could go up only today if we get good jolts, if we get this bullish news on crypto, right? It could be one of those days. So be prepared. We said, it's a whipsaw market. Okay, so that's why we're taking profits early. Yes, we got long here and got out a little bit too early as usual, but we got the entry spank on perfect yesterday. Perfect entry yesterday. So that's why I think a lot of you are here, is that we absolutely have been crushing the trades recently, and it's an honor and privilege to do it with you. But we need to be cautious, and we need to be paying ourselves. You don't expect a 5% move to Valhalla after a beautiful scalp entry, but maybe we leave a little bit on the plate. We'll take 80, 70% of the trade out, and we'll let the rest run. We'll see how that goes, okay? However, if we're looking at a couple of things. Now, one thing I did notice this morning that we need to be aware of is that the weekly is still looking ugly, okay, with negative view up. The 2-day here is still bleeding out, and it's trying to posture to the upside, okay? But it's still, I think there's still, this, everything seems to be pointing to Friday, which is when we get unemployment data. That is kind of what I see. I'm not saying that's perfect, but that's what I see. The 12-hour. Now, this is the little tricky thing, okay? Put a 1 in the chat if you think this is legit, okay? We have a daily hidden bullish divergence, okay? So we have I don't know if anyone's talking about this, but we have a daily hidden bullish divergence here. It's very tight, but it is a divergence, okay? This could be pretty sweet, okay? If we get the VWAP crossover, money flow coming back in, and we hold the 0 line. Things are lining up quite nicely. So we're front running the green dot, right? We're warning you about this right now. So this could play out going into Friday, right? We want to see the money bounce. It's got to bounce off the 0 line, and it's got to bounce off the middle line, the 50% line of the stochastics, okay? We want to see these two come together and go like this. That's going to be the Valhalla sign that I am looking for to start maybe a big uptrend, okay? That's my little secret for you guys, okay? You're welcome. We'll see if it does pop off. But that's what I'm kind of seeing. Now, if we're looking at what's going to happen for today, I tell you, this is this is disgusting. Look at this thing, man. It looks like the iceberg that took out the Titanic. And then we have a reset here. We have green. Yeah, I would like to see this. That would be better. But it looks like we're getting like this, like smidget of a push here. So that looks okay. But it's very ugly. That's like a really ugly wave. Look at this wave. Like very ugly, not clean at all. Green dot here trying to push up. Money coming back in, making a higher low, which is a good sign. Then the 2-day VWAP crossover, holding the 0 line on the momentum wave here. Just want to see money come back into the 2-day. We don't see that quite yet, but we do see it on the 1 hour. Okay, we can see this higher low coming in on the 1 hour, suggesting basic market cipher strategy, anchor trigger wave, pushing onwards and upwards and up. So this looks bullish, but we don't want to be fooled by the liquidity below us, the golden pocket down here at 95,000. We know that there's a big barrier in here trying to hold us up. Let's say 98K and upwards, right? Holding the lows of this range from here to here. And we're looking for price to trade within, right? This would be discount. This would be premium. We're looking to get out into an equilibrium of this range. If you want to do a value level, right, you can do the volume area in here. And we want to see holding this volume node over here on our left and then pushing up and reclaiming at least up into this like 102 area that we did hit our head on yesterday. Okay, we hit our head on this big volume node in here, right? And then we're trying to get up to that, 105 really for continuation to the upside. Now, it's been up only. It was down only as well. So V-shaped recovery. I want to see some constructive price action in here. If we start to rip, we can look to jump on the train. However, I am very cautious with the idea that we could come down before we go up. So patience will prevail in a situation like this. We got that bullish divergence at these lows on the 24-minute right in here. Right, we came up, we topped out in here. Even last night in the update that I shared with the Discord, because I figured you guys needed it, it was very, very easy for me to tell you, hey, we are probably coming down to 98,104. We are very toppy. We are probably most likely coming down into this order block within here and sweeping that low. And guess what? We did, right? We came down into that area, right? And swept back down into that order block down below. So if you do want updates and all that good stuff and a great community of 4 traders helping you be profitable, come over and hang out in our Discord. We'd love to have you. An absolute privilege to serve you guys and hang out with you guys and help you guys be prepared traders. Okay. Great call last night. Made you guys a little video before I went out
update here, V-shaped
last evening, telling you guys where price was going to go, yada, 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 probably going to come down, yada, 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 looking for this, looking for that. Keeping you guys updated, which is always important. Kind of make sure that you guys are prepared traders, because a prepared trader is a what? A profitable trader. Profitable trader, baby. Okay. So yes, we can come down into here. Very, very possible. Revisiting 95.4 right in here. Order block. Okay. Golden pocket of the range now. We're looking within here. Okay. Right in here. Very possible. However, news, whipsaw price action. Be cautious, right? Be cautious. Let's be prepared and let's see what we can find today. Hopefully that has helped you. If not, stick around. We'll figure it out. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel, playing a lot of curling, and not playing pickleball. Pickleball. Really? Pickleball. We went whale watching in high school for a field trip, and I ate a bunch of edibles before. Let's go. Oh, man. I have some choice stories of anyways, won't go there. I've tried horse riding, but Jesse, if Jack helped you off the horse, would you help Jack off the horse? Did I mess that up? Jesse, if Jack helped you on the horse, would you help Jack off the horse? Oh, man. If you can get treatment. Yeah, exactly. They're already, it's bad. Healthcare is bad. Internet keeps saying that women need more sleep because they use their brains more. I agree. The balloon dog was made for what? You guys are going off. Man, I can't keep up with this chat anymore. There's too many people here and not enough likes. We got 285 people here. Holy smokes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And 80 likes, though. There's a very poor like to subscriber to, ratio here. Don't ratio me, but I do believe we could do a little bit better than that, considering, we're here, we're Canadian. You should say sorry and press the like button. Luke Saldana, good morning. Patrick Swayze, good morning. He's a Londoner. Drop him in the Discord. Yeah. You guys are too much some mornings. I don't know what to do with you guys. Quick 589. Good morning to you, Ronnie. Hello, mate. You're all right. What's going on, Ronnie? Good to see you. Everybody, thank Ronnie for making the Otter Gang. Ronnie was the one who created the Otters, man. He's the OG. He's the absolute OG when it comes to the Otter Gang. He's the original person of all otters, okay? Got a little swing failure pattern here, trying to push back up in the VWAP. I kind of like this. It's pretty cheap, too, coming into this order block up in here. I kind of like this. I'm going to take a stab at this. Let's see if we go here. Taking a stab. I'm long. See if we can push here. I liked that sweep. Maybe I'm wrong. Gotta go, Bitcoin. Failure to push down. Bought back up into VWAP. Half a position size. Okay, so we got a little bit of wiggle room. Even if we sweep down, we can look to add. Okay. I just like that reclaim of VWAP here. Pushing down, reclaiming. I'm going to target the highs up in here. We'll see if we get there. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Just a quick little scalp this morning. We'll see if we do get it. Push. Come on, baby. Good candle close. That's strength, right? Strength in the candle close. You see this? Trying to fight, push back in. No? It's going to be a bit choppy and a bit slow. So we'll see how this plays out. I just like the reclaiming of the VWAP. We'll see if we do push from here. We are a tiny bit overextended. We do have the bear divs in here. However, the bear divs really failed to get through here. You can see that bear divs pushed down and then reclaimed VWAP and chopped. So I would look for another attempt higher. We'll see if we get that. We are a little bit overextended. We do have this bull div in our favor. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low. So could we come back up into this region? We'll see. We could be overextended here, and this could roll over. Very possible. Okay, it's not like I wouldn't say it's an A+ setup. If we lose VWAP and we fail to hold it, we can definitely close it out. Maybe a little bit tighter than normal. Okay, we'll make an assessment as we go here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Hopefully you're all doing well. Are we going down to 92K again? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Good morning, Vietnam. Good questions. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 283 people here on the live. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm scuba certified. Let's go, French toaster. Mountain running. Let's go. I'm LeBron James of sweeping. That's okay. I like that. I like that. Okay, LeBron. Let's go. Football. Ping and tennis are my favorite also. I had my own when I was younger. Yeah. I love racket sports as well. I mean, I played everything. The thing I stopped playing is football. Played tennis 3 to 4 years of high school. Awesome, Dave. That's awesome, man. We'll have to go out to Vegas and play some tennis. I'm scuba certified. Second most expensive white people activity is golf first. Golf is friggin' expensive, man. Golf is expensive. I trade to play golf. My boy is turning 8. You'll never sleep again. Thanks, man. Thanks, Cliff. That's great. I can't wait. You know what? I'll trade it for the memories. I'll trade it. You know, it's beautiful having a family, so I'm very grateful. Tony Soprano. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Tamale horse riding is absolutely ridiculous. She wants to have her own horses. Jeez. I've never ridden a horse. I've never ever ridden a horse. They scare the shit out of me, if I'm being honest. I've never ridden a horse. I think I have a picture as a kid at a fair on a donkey. That's it. I think. I can't tell you for certain. All I know is that I don't need to ride horse. I don't need to. What's that? I think the most expensive white sport is probably polo. Because you got to have a horse. You got to dress nice. You got to have that long stick to hit the ball. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. You guys are talking about hitting your balls while riding a horse, man. We're here to trade. Little fish, good morning. We've rejected from the 0.5, says Darren. Are we going from here? Or are we going from up there? Are we going from up here? I would go from this high. Yeah, so we've hit the 0.5, you're saying. Are you going from this high, Darren? I don't know if I would go from this high. I guess this would be the impulse move to the downside. Lower low. Continuation. Can we get a push? Can someone tell Bitcoin to go? Thank you. Thank you. 6,762 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being part of the gang. 284 people in here. 128 likes. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, hanging out with me. We're talking about horses and riding them. Okay? But I've never ridden. Look at the 15-minute looking at the 1 minute. I want to close my trades. Yeah. The 24 looks juicy. Still got room to the upside. The 15's rolling over. Money's coming in. VWAP's trying to bounce here. Okay. All I want is to see if it comes up and tries for this high. One more push. Not looking to get greedy on this trade. I just want to see one more push up into here. You guys are trying to shake me out now. I can't stand for you guys shaking me out. I'm going to stop going live in here. Got beautiful money flow crossover here on the 8-minute continuation. I'm no longer getting shaken out by you guys. I trust you guys, but I also trust my experience as well. As I get liquidated. No. Oh, man. 290 people. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here. Crazy. I'm only here because you smell good, Alex. Dave, thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for making. I mean, maybe you can do a scratch and sniff in Vegas. Are you, Dave? You're coming to Vegas, right? You're coming to Vegas, Dave. I know you are. We're gonna hit the gym or something. No, let me take you golfing, Dave. How would you guys like a stream of me and Dave Digital going golfing? I think it would be an absolute fucking gong show. He smells like a Tool hoodie to me. That's right. That's right. I feel like a Tool hoodie smells like long nights, cheap beer, and BO. So I take the Tool hoodie off and I wash it after every stream, okay? You know what sometimes smells bad is my microphone cover. This thing. I have two of them, so I rotate them. I don't know how this sounds right now. But yeah, I need to clean this. At one point it got like hard, like crusty. The life of a streamer. Where else are you going to get an honest and transparent person from? Who talks about their smelly ass microphone cover? Oh, we're talking. Look at the daily money flow trending down a lot. Okay. I feel like that. Okay. BO. Strong money flow on 2-day also. You guys are awesome, man. You guys really know how to spook me out of a trade. You guys are doing such a great job. Question: should divs not be drawn on bodies instead of wicks, oscillator representing closed candles? For what? For which one? Are you talking about this div in here or this div in here, Tony? This div or this div? One or two? This is like watching paint dry, guys. This is why sometimes we wait to trade in the morning. Jeez. Trying to hold VWAP. Not doing a hell of a great job pushing out of here. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. My BO smells like, oh God, a greasy joint burger bar from the 90s. If we want to have that conversation. A greasy joint burger bar. I'm of the age where so I was born in 1990. So for me, I'm of the age where they started in Canada, at least. They started making these sections in Mr. Sub or Subway where they would glass door off the smoking section. Okay? And there'd be all these people smoking in the section. And it didn't stop the smoke. It was like a hot box, basically. But it didn't stop the smoke from coming in to the store. It was basically like having a peeing section in a swimming pool. You know what I mean? It was like you could pee over here. Don't worry about it. You guys remember that? Disgusting. I'm born in 95, Jesse says. Yeah, you're kind of old. You're kind of young in 95, man. You definitely grew up with a cell phone right away. Rolling over here on Bitcoin. It's got to hold. It's got to hold. Don't be trading like me right now. This isn't looking good. We'll see. This looks like it wants to roll over. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Shake out before more than 5 seconds or something else. Will we get a pump today? We could think Monday false move as well. That's very possible, but Andrew Cameron, what's going on in your dreams? Hello, long time, don't watch stream. What's going on, Panda? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Hopefully you're having a great day. Please stop what you're doing. Exit chat. Click the like button. Re-enter chat. Thank you for supporting the Otter gang, gang, gang. It's a pivot. I always pivot to and from the pivots. Okay. It's going against us here, guys and gals. It's going against us. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Okay. Coming against us here. Can it push back? No pushback. Lots of liquidity at these lows. If we snap back up here, this will be bullish. If not, we're going to close this trade probably. If we snap back and hold VWAP, we'll keep it open. If not, we still got half an hour till market opens. Very low volume in here. Sweep of the highs, mitigating this high over here. So we came up here. We swept with volume. Okay. Swept with volume into this high here, mitigating that high. Okay. Bearish divergence. Break down possibly. However, failure to really break down on the bear div and then reclaim VWAP. Mixed signals here, really. Mixed signals. So probably shouldn't have gotten into a trade, but that's fine. We'll see if we do bounce from here. If we mitigate this low, then we're probably coming down. Mitigating mean 3 minute candle close below. That's what I would look for. 312 people here on the live. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. It's always an honor and a privilege to hang out with you guys. Tom the Bandit, good morning to you. Dusty Hunt, good morning. Good to see you as well. One Harmony, what's going on? Why is the daily VWAP on MexC above, on TradingView below the actual level? I'm not sure, man. Not sure. The F1 is the most expensive white guy sport. Yes, absolutely. Formula One. Does anybody watch Formula One? I don't know. Even NASCAR, it's like, okay, big roll over here. Trying to come for that low. Trying to come for that low. We got our stop loss just below here. Mitigation, continuation. Coming down, rolling over here. Yeah, it's pretty nasty here. Rolling over, taking that low. Okay. We'll see. I might add to this trade to get out of the trade, if you know what I mean. Adding on the way back up, though. No bounce out of here. Pretty nasty. I guess this little mini bear div is playing. It's just doing something like this where bear divs comes back, rolls over. Maybe continuation back up. Slow price action this morning. We'll see. We'll see. I might add to this trade here just to bring my average price down and get out break even. We'll see. I only do that if I'm going half a position size. Sometimes I can add, and then this will come down halfway, and then I get out break even to save my to save a loss. But very rarely do I do that. But that is a little technique that I use sometimes just to get out. But you have to commit to the break even. You can't look to hold that trade. Okay? But I have to see a bounce first, okay? That will give me the idea that we could come back up. If not, we take the loss. Little rollover here. 315 people on the live. We got some volume coming in, bouncing off our support level here. Might add here. I'm going to add there, bringing my average down to here. 149. Break even trade if it comes back up. We'll see if it comes back up. If not, stop loss is still right here. 700. Right at 700. And we'll see if it does come back up. And retap. We'll see if it comes back up and retaps. Committed to a break even trade here. 327 people on the live. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. Much love to all of you guys. Shake it out, bro. More than 5 seconds or something else. Should get rid of all the safety gear. It'll make it more exciting. Okay. I'll smoke you in tennis and golf. I hope so, Dave. I hope so. You wouldn't want to get beaten by a 5'4" midget, would you? Dave and Alex O golfing. Happy Gilmore vibes. If you know, you know. Absolutely. Golf is so boring. Oh, I don't know, Jay Violet. Golf is fun. You get out, you're in nature, manicured grass, a man's dream, right? Driving a cart around, hitting a ball. peeing in the woods. It's all the best. It's a man's. And you know what? It's quiet and it lasts 5 hours. That's the key. Is that it lasts 5 hours. Ooh wee. Trailing a stop here. Trailing a stop. It did not come to break even here. Come on, Bitcoin, push. No? Retest to previous lows. No push. Move and stop back to 700. Randy Hipper, good morning. Good to see you. Good morning, guys. Go check out Randy Hipper. I think there's like we're starting like a influencer train. We go me, Piper, then Randy. I think something like that. I don't know. I typically send the viewers either to Brewberry, who's a trader in my Discord, or I send them to Army Piper. So after this stream, I'll always send you guys somewhere. And hopefully that helps, support the channel. You get a different perspective. Brewberry does a great job. Smart Money Concepts, breaking down the charts for everybody as well, which is great. And he's a trader in our Discord. He's a absolute beast. He absolutely crushes, the Smart Money Concepts. He's got white charts. You got to put up with that. It's like a light bright. But great trading ideas, great setups. You can learn so much from this guy. An amazing person too. An amazing human. Absolutely crushes it. We've learned a lot from each other. Brewberry is, he used to give it away for free too in our Discord for so long. So that's just one more trader you get access to, right? In our $1 a day, cheap, amazing Discord. Amazing. Are we going to go break even? Put a 1 in the chat if we're going break even. You get 1 in the chat, break even, 1 or 2 to keep the trade open. Let me know. Break even, trade open. Break even, trade open. Break even, trade open. Trade open, keep the trade open. Keep the trade open. Close the trade. Keep the trade open, close the trade. Keep the trade open, close the trade. Don't bend your rules for the people. You are right. Keep the trade open. Open. Stay disciplined. Close half. It's going against me now. It's going against me. I could have closed it for $80 there. We're doing it for the people on the stream. Maybe we're staying undisciplined for you guys. This is for entertainment value only. This is never financial advice. Do you believe BTC hits 1 mil with more federal and institutional support? I would say you got like probably 20, 30, probably 6. I'd say 6 more years. 5, 6 more years till Bitcoin. I don't know. It could happen, right? I mean, enough things go the right way, we could see Bitcoin, It really depends on how much money they print and how much inflation there is. In my opinion, smash FPV. Put into open equals bad. This is coming against me now. You guys distracting me from getting out of the trade. I'm going to blame you for all the money we make off of it. We're still in it. We're still in it. Get out or stay in it. My MexC is acting weird right now. Very weird. Open, open, close, close. I can't stand white charts. Crypto Princess in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Kelvin, yo, bro, what's up? You heard about this? What's that? China opened antitrust investigation into NVIDIA and Google. That's pretty wild. After 10% tariffs, there's like a big news war. It's like news FUD all over the place, man. Pretty crazy. Pretty wild, man. Can't trust anything these days. Part of trading is doing it while life happens. I'm a novice bowler with bumpers. I like the bumpers. Alan Mick, what's going on? Isle of Man motorcycle race is pretty crazy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's wild. The drifting, too. I love watching some drift videos. Those guys going like a $180 over like hills and shit. That's crazy. NASCAR, though. NASCAR is like brutal. It's like who can turn left the best? Who can turn left the best, right? It's just like, I mean, I'm sure there's a lot more to it, but it's basically who can turn left the best. NASCAR, yeah. We need 140 more likes, says Jesse. Bitcoin's dead. You're $300 higher as well? Your VWAP? Your VWAP shouldn't be $300 higher. Inputs. Yeah. That's weird. Is it snapping correctly? That's one thing you should check. It should be snapping at 1900 at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You let me know. This is brutal. My friends, what is going on with the price action today? It's 9:10. We got an amazing group of people in here. We're currently in the long underwater right now. No movement. No movement. Doesn't want to go. Kind of chilling down here. We've averaged down to lower our entry, and we could have got out, and we should have got out, but we didn't get out. Now we're kind of sitting here on our hands, wondering if Bitcoin's going to push back up or not. Not a situation you really want to be in. I guess that's the way the cookie crumbled this morning. We can hope. We can blow on the candle. We can ask Dave to blow on the candle. Dave, do you mind giving it a little bit of a push, please? And letting Bitcoin push back in? We need your support, Dave. Good morning, Brian Rhodes. Good to see you. Tony Soprano, Dave Digital, Fran Gonzalez. Drunk driving, 5 hours of chilling. Yeah, that's the one. That's so nice. Wick's wife. Let's see some Wick's wife emojis. She says, Alex brings value, entertainment, knowledge, trading skills, and a sense of community, all within 2 hours. It's cozy. And you'll learn how to better yourself all at once. Oh my God, it's rolling over, guys. Again. It's got to go. Damn. That's nasty. We may be in for a loss right now. Damn it. Reset. Unless it bounces right here, literally to the tits. That would be hilarious. I would laugh so hard. Bounce, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Opium now. Now we're in opium world. Come on, Biddy. Stopped out. All right. None of this opium shit anymore. Now I'm upset with myself. I should have closed that out. $400 loss. On to the next one. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Not the greatest of trades this morning. Yeah, not the greatest of trades. Broke my rule. Should have got out. Lesson learned, right? Lesson learned. The market will teach you a lesson until you're ready to follow your rules, I guess, right? And what happens after that, you typically get a big push back up and you said, I told you if I just would have, could have, should have, didn't. Right? Typical. Bearish divergence coming back into our golden pocket area, possibly a long opportunity down in here. We'll see if we get it. A little bit more focus would be better instead of talking about curling and, you know. Silly trade. Silly trade. Looking for a bounce here off golden pocket. Coming down, grabbing some of this liquidity, okay, as we continue here. We'll see if we do have another trade. Make sure that you're always using a stop loss. Our idea to add and get out would have worked if we just stuck to our rules. Okay? A little bit pissed off with myself there. Not a very smart trade. But that's trading. I guess you guys can learn something from that. You break the rules. You pay the price. Very simple. Okay, looking to re-enter here, getting a little bounce. A little bit frustrated. Shake it off, onto the next one. Right? Shake it off, onto the next one. That's the only thing you can do. Should have closed it out. Do you believe Bitcoin? Okay. Can you give us a quick overview of market cipher indicator and what it shows? Yeah, we have lots of videos on that stuff in the on my channel. There's a whole bunch of them. Just go over to the channel and check out the market cipher videos. They're all there for you. Bouncing off golden pocket right now. Swing low to swing high. Could have waited for this level, right? If I just waited for that level. How many times have we all said that? Put a 1 in the chat. If you're like, if I just waited for my level and took the trade there, I would have been fine. Right? Alex taking one for the team. That's part of the game, man. It's a bad loss, though. I don't like bad losses. I think there's a very big difference between a good loss and a bad loss, and that was a bad loss. Patience is key. Absolutely. You're right. Trading is waiting. We know that, right? It's not your guys' fault. It's my fault. Obviously, I'm responsible for my own trading. Would never want you guys to say, I'll be your daily mental coach for $400. Just an earbud is all you need. Possum takeover. Let's go. The possum's in the chat. Wick's wife on 89. Let's go. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. 1 minute bull div. 1 minute bull div. Double bottom, pushing up, volume coming in. We got 14 minutes till market opens. We'll see how the price reacts here. Bouncing off the golden pocket right now as we speak. No trade yet. We'll see if we do get another SFP down into here. Whipsaw price action, baby. Whipsaw. Biddy's gonna fly now, probably. Nick Musgrave in the chat. Is Nick here? What's going on, Nick? Good to see you, bro. Market Cipher link. Yeah, we have a Market Cipher discount right now. The code is businessman. 30% off. CryptoFace just dropped it. If you want to use my link, you can. I would appreciate it. 30% off Market Cipher. Pretty awesome deal. I mean, the only time you get like a 60% off deal on Black Friday. That's the best time to get it. Then you're typically looking at 30% around the regular days, okay? Good morning, Albino Rhino. What's going on? Good to see you. I took demand line short. Beautiful. Take a peek at the liquidity heat map. I do not trust liquidation heat maps. Not at all. V-shaped recovery as we speak. Off that golden pocket. Wild. Hey, Bybit is not in the US. So I use MexC, BingX, and BloFin. Those are my three exchanges I use. Mostly BingX or MexC and BingX. I will swing trade on BloFin. I just find because it's a non-KYC exchange, I find it's not good for scalping. It's less liquidity, right? Cockfighting to sports. Oh man, you guys are crazy. Cockfighting. Big push here off that golden pocket bounce, man. Wild. Wild, wild, wild. If we had just taken the golden pocket, market opens soon, 12:27. No trade. Take one loss here. Okay, one loss, which is fine. Which is fine. We can make it back. We can make it back. Let's check the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ. What's going on, gang, gang, gang? Okay, a little push up here from NASDAQ. Lots of liquidity below. Okay, so cautious. Cautious as well. Okay, we're in a pretty aggressive downtrend here on Biddy. After that bear div. Coming into our golden pocket bounce level. Not sufficient enough to say, hey, man, let's get long yet. Okay, S&P. Going to open up. We got 10 minutes, sorry. 10 minutes, 9:20 right now. We got 10 minutes till market opens. A nice little bounce off the golden pocket here. 1L down Down $400 for the day. That's fine. We'll figure it out. Overall, Bitcoin looking to come back and grab some more liquidity. It's done a pretty good job here into the golden pocket. We'll see if we get that 786. Looking for the long down in here. Optimistic today. 10 a.m. We do have news. We'll see if that wants to continue. Bitcoin pushing here. Nice little push here for Bitcoin. That would have been the break even up in here. We could have moved our stop loss, but it's not. That can lead to a lot of issues. Like if you don't take the loss here and you move your stop loss here and then it dips on you, that'll lead to a lot of issues. That's one thing I've learned as well. You take the loss on the chin. You had your opportunity to get out $70 in profit. You didn't take it. Got greedy. Greed won that time. That's fine. Lesson learned. On to the next trade, right? Always learning stuff here. Stay long. XCN trying to push. Alex says. Jesse, good luck. Just a sub. Pepe, 3-minute head and shoulders. Imagine my surprise after training for years just to find out it was for chickens. I don't like it, but I held the trade, says Ralph. Okay, that's your choice, man. This is never financial advice. Just here trading alongside with all you beautiful, utterly fantastic people. I got to get some more coffee and reset. I'll be right back. It's not going to take me long, but I'll put on the tunes. I'll put on the tunes for you guys.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gains. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Of course, it's ripping. Look at it go. Ripping into market open. Typical. Typical. That's fine. I'm not upset. You're upset. The Leafs suck. Let's go, username. My man. Good to see you, username. Tim Tortellini says, I'm long, so it's going to drop. Nice bounce off golden pocket here. We'll see how it comes into to market open. Good to see a username. Hopefully you're having a good day, man. Username, I'm sorry, but we just beat McDavid, so we're doing all right for the Leafs. China is keeping the trade war alive. Okay. Whenever I move my stop loss, I get royally effed. What's going on? Mihao? Michael, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. So clearly baseball is not a fan favorite here. You guys seem to like football. Soccer. Actually, we don't have to specify. We'll just go American football. Then we'll go, what else do we got? Come on. Tennis and golf. I don't know what else you guys like. You guys like rugby? Three minutes till market opens. Big gap down for the S&P. Nice push up coming back into these lows in here. We'll see if we do open up a little bit low here. Support level and then try to bounce back up. Okay. NASDAQ here. Flagging out. Trying to roll up. Lots of liquidity below. The dollar. Chopping about. Okay. Chopping about. Very overextended the other day. Bitcoin continuing to rip here. Kind of jealous. Not going to lie. Coming into VWAP here, looking for continuation. We'll see if we get it. Break of structure continuation trade on the table now. $15-minute rollover. VWAP snapping back up. Okay. Nice recovery here. Bullish engulfing on the 15. Sheesh. Pushing into VWAP right now as we speak. Nice recovery for Bitcoin. Way too early with the long this morning, everybody. I apologize for that trade. That was yeah. Yeah. That's fine. We know face is long from down here. We'll see if that holds for face. We hope so. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We're almost at 6,800 subscribers. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much. Good morning. I'm late. Bored PC guy. Good to see you. Penne noodles. We're talking about penne noodles in here. Pickleball is it's like playing tennis with a skirt on. Uh-oh, American football making a comeback here. Hitting VWAP here, tapping VWAP. I look for a little rejection into this morning. We got market open here. Gapping, no gap for S&P, just opening up flat. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over here. Giving us probably an opportunity to get long in Bitcoin. Rolling over here. We'll see if that continues. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Market is now open. We'll see how we go in here. Tapping ourselves on VWAP here, filling the fair value gap, mitigating this high, trying to come back down. I would like lower. I do like the 3 and the 5 minute here for a potential retracement and push back, okay? Rolling over here. NASDAQ continuing to push down. Bitcoin trying to push here. If we get VWAP flip, I'll probably get long on this. No trade yet. We got a nice trigger wave on the 8-minute. Just money's coming out. That's a concern here. I'm going to take a stab long here. Taking a stab long. Push through VWAP. Let's go. Push. Push. Taking a stab long. Let's go. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'll take half off there. Taking off half there. Stop loss to entry. All right, quick $140 there. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. We're back on the horse, everybody. That's how it's done. Saw the strength come in on that candle. Looking for the continuation here. Taking half off there. This is a full position size. All right. Big push up here for Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Continuation. Target up above here. Oh, wow. This is nice, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Coming up to some key resistance here. Nice trade so far. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Come on, Biddy. Come on, Biddy, push it. Push it up into this red box. Come on, baby. You can do it. I'm going to take another half off there. 380 guaranteed profits so far. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. All right, we're 75% out. We're going to let the rest of this ride. Stop loss to entry. Bitcoin continues to rip here. We're up about $500 on the trade right now. There we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. $400 mitigating that loss. 250 up. Let's go, baby. Nice trade so far. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Let's go, baby. GG's, GG's. I want to see those GG's, OG's in the chat. Let's go. Awesome. Awesome. Nice trade, everybody. You can see the volume coming in on that candle. It was pretty obvious. It just wanted to go. It just wanted to go. Very easy trade this morning. Paying ourselves. We'll see if it does want to continue to run. 75% out. Letting it rip. Our big resistance right now is going to be this $100,000 level, okay? We're clearly trying to break through it right now, but we'll see if it does want to continue. Shout out to Face making all that money as well. Crushing it. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. If you are new here, subscribe. 360 people on the live, banging out the trade. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Awesome trade so far, everybody. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Taking one loss and one win this morning. One loss and one win. That's it. This is why you take a, it was a good loss if we had followed our rules. At the end of the day, we didn't. We took a $400 loss. We've now made a $400 win, and we're up another $200. We'll see if it does want to continue here. Stop loss at entry. I'm going to move my stop loss just to these highs in here, okay? Just to these highs, so the trade is now in here. We got long under VWAP. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. Coming back down for late longs right now. This is an opportunity to possibly add if you want. For me, I won't be adding here. This is a retest of the highs. See if it comes back in and wrecks people. Trying to do so here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 370 people in here, 189 likes. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out with me. You guys are top notch, man. Top notch. Top notch. Easy long this morning. Stupid long. Too early. Maybe we just start streaming at 9 o'clock. Look at this thing. Gang. Free money. Let's go. Nice. I got paid. Let's go. Jesus, I guess I was wrong. Nice trade. Tim Tortelloni. Let's go. Nice call. Thank you. Dab and Flow. Nice trade. Nice trade, bro. Thank you, Mark Wahlberg. Mark Wahlberg. Get that garbage out of here. Let's go. Dave Digital in the chat. It's going to kick my ass in some tennis. America football, baby. Everybody's saying my VWAP is different than theirs. I guess I got the special VWAP. I got that special VWAP. We are in the long. Bitcoin to the moon. To the moon. Oh, man. Did we get bullish news or anything? We do have jolts coming at us. Wow, this thing's ripping, baby. All right. POC around 99,520, pushing through 100K right now. Shout out to you guys. One loss, two winners. Happy days. Good job, caveman. Good job, man. Let's go, says Andrew Cameron. Good job, man. If you are new here, we'd love for you to come over and hang out in our Discord. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. Live updates. Always helping you guys be profitable. Teaching you what I know every single day. Helping you guys with the key levels, the key areas. Going live. Crushing it. 4 amazing traders. Not only do you get me, but you get 4 amazing traders with trade setups. Amazing group of people. We got Brewberry. We got Thesis. We got Kyle. Okay. And myself with alt ideas, alt setups, signals, trade setups. An amazing group of people. Brewberry is live right now. We'll send you over to Brewberry after this stream. He'll do your altcoins. Such an amazing guy and an amazing trader. The best thing about our Discord is we are all traders helping traders, okay? No influencer, YouTube second, okay? Always. An amazing group of people. Bitcoin on the ripper here. We'll see if it wants to continue. We're in a good position now. We're long from down here. We'll see if it wants to keep going, baby. We could guarantee some more profits. I probably will if we hit this $100,000 800 area. Okay. I'll look to take some more off there. If we get up there, probably guarantee another 200. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel. You know, it is a privilege hanging out with you guys. We have been crushing the trades lately. I mean, a silly trade this morning, really nonsensical. So live and learn. But at least it's honest and transparent, and always trying to make sure that you guys, no bullshit here. I think that's the best thing. I think that's the number one thing we can do here is just keep it real. Jolts at 10 a.m. Absolutely. So be careful. We do have news coming out at 10 a.m. It is 9:41. We'll see if this wants to continue upwards right now. Probably doing a little flagging out here. 1 minute. Yeah. Double topping. Trying to go. Okay. If we're really going to pick this apart on the 1 minute, you can see the big push up here. Okay. Nice sweep down below. You don't need to close this until we lose this. Okay. If we lose this, then you can consider closing this. But for now, this is pretty aggressive. You could also put like a momentum trend line here. And as long as you hold this momentum here, you're good to go. And then once we put in a nice higher low, we can look at this as momentum, okay? Momentum to the upside. We'll see if that holds. Just want a significant low coming in here somewhere where we can hold this. A little bit of double toppiness in here. We'll see. Looks strong still, though. 350 people in here. 194 likes. We need 6 more likes, guys. We can do it. Put you back into it. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. So you guys are all into American football. Is that how it is? You guys Super Bowl? Who do you guys got for the Super Bowl? I'm cheering for the Eagles. I just am. This Kansas City stuff should get on its bike. What chart are you using? Maybe the VWAP difference is for everyone. Let me see on the 5 minute here. Same VWAP, man. That's a different indicator. Same VWAP here. VWAP here. Same VWAP. Bitcoin to the moon. Everybody's saying they got different VWAP. Go on here. And indicators. VWAP. Standard bands. Right here. Free. Click the button. There's your VWAP. Okay. Should be the same. Biddy, trying to go, not going. Trying to go, not going. Patience will prevail. We'll see how we get on going into jolts. The NASDAQ pushing up, quite aggressive here. S&P pushing. Higher low, continuation. Biddy's kind of stalling out right now. Not sure if I'm a fan. Might take the profits and run, Quick $500. What do you guys think? We got Eagles here or what? Eagles or Chiefs? I use Coinbase. Never realized how much it varies between exchanges. My faith is shaken. Volume, right? It's volume. Bybit is the way, in my opinion. I closed, needed the win, being in a downtrend. Good job. Sometimes mentally it does help to just, get some wins under your belt, get back on the horse, right? I mean, I took a loss this morning, right? Went, got a coffee, reset, came back to the charts, executed a great trade, right? It's not, trading isn't easy. It isn't meant to be easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it, right? Discipline, resetting, mental capacity. Trying to talk through this is not always the easiest choice, but very lucrative. It's one of the best jobs where, scaling is very, very, very possible, right? There's no limit on how much money you can make. That's why it's so attractive, right? But it's It's effing hard if you don't manage your risk. It is not meant to be easy, but it can be easier if you learn and if you apply the skills that we kind of teach here. We're not perfect. That's why we use good risk management. We try to put probabilities in our favor, and we've been very successful over a year and a half now, full-time trading, right? So that's what it's about, right? That's what it's about. It's not about showing the biggest P&L card, showing, February so far has been green, right? You can't complain about this, right? So far, so good. February is green, right? $100 day, didn't trade Sunday, very smart. Should have shorted there. $600 day yesterday, $400 day so far. It's weird. It doesn't like time block Eastern Standard Time. It time blocks like what is the time block here? Anyways, coming down against us here on Bitcoin. Maybe it's trapping longs into jolts here. Maybe it is. We've guaranteed $400. I'm not sure if I want to take more out. Stop loss is at entry. This is a free trade right now. We haven't put in that low, right? If we lose this low in here, we should be looking to close possibly. Sweeping of the low right now. Sweeping of the low. Push back in. Okay. A sweep of the low is fine. Grabbing late longs here. Right? That just came back for everybody, right? Now we're pushing back in. Retesting the previous lows right now. All right. Want to see it reclaim this candle here. This down candle. Right, sweeping this low is fine. Coming back for late longs here. Needs to push back up above this candle here. Otherwise, you're looking for this thing to roll over and come probably back down to VWAP. Failing to push up. Coming back down now. We got a support level in here. We'll see how that holds as well. Stop loss is like right here, basically on VWAP. I don't know how to draw it. I got to take profit up here as well. Stop loss just above the lows in here. There's price. Stop loss, entry. Okay. Good push back here. It's like, do I take an extra $100 off the trade or do I let it run? Right? What do you guys think? Do you guys think we let it run or do we take an extra $100 off? Put a 1 in the chat to let it run. Put a 2 in the chat to take the money and run. Let it run, says Fran. Take the money, take profits, take it. First move, wrong move. Let it run. What do you guys think? Let it run, let it run. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run into the news? 1 + 1 + 1. You're going to let it run? Going to deviate below VWAP, then send it, says Dave. Okay. He hopes. He's got that hopium. I could take half off and guarantee like 80 bucks. Another 80 bucks. Then we'd be up quite nicely today. Or I could just let it run. Look at the hourly. It's so good. Okay, let's look at the hourly. How good is the hourly? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Look at the hourly. We got anchor trigger wave. Money flow coming in. VWAP overextension. Oh, baby. Let's go. The 2 hour, yeah, ugly. 3 hour, ugly, but higher low on money flow. I like the money flow here. I like the 12 hour. The 12 hour looks juicy. And that hidden bullish divergence on the daily, everybody. Come on. You heard it here first, right? You heard it here first. Incredible. 325 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Subscribe. And if you are new, we hit 200 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you for doing that today for me. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to hit the like button if you are enjoying the content. Subscribe. Hang out with us. You guys are top notch, man. Top notch. I don't care what they say about the crypto industry. It's, I feel like crypto is full of people who are just not regular Joes, but like good people who just want to better themselves. I think there's a bit of hopium in crypto that brings out some good characters or some people who were bad characters who want to be better, which is awesome too. I mean, we're all in it together. It's not easy, but it's fun and you're worth it, right? So look at this continuation here. Even in the red dot's face, it's like, yeah, hold my beer. VWAP coming back in here. Money's coming up and in. This is beautiful, baby. This is beautiful. Let's see a push here, Bitcoin. Give it to the people. I got another take profit at 100 and 560. Right here's my next take profit, 560. We'll see if we hit it. See, that would have been a nice little entry down in here. Not easy. Double bottom in here. Higher low, continuation. It's got a push now, right? You got a hammer candle pushing up. You got volume coming in on that hammer candle. Continuation here. Nice push. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Got volume coming in here. Trying to get above these highs. A little bit of resistance up here as well. This $100,000 psychological level. Okay, so we are banging our head on that 100K. Trying to get above, okay? Crypto Face still sitting pretty in that long trade. Good job, Face. Shout out to Crypto Face. Shout out to Market Cypher. 30% discount on Market Cypher using the code BUSINESSMAN. Okay? We do have a sale, $1 a day going on in our Discord too. 30 bucks a month for you guys. If you do want to join our Discord, we'd love to have you. A great group of people. Bitcoin trying to push here. Trying to push. Nice push out. Big flag out. Trying to continue up out of this flag. We'll see if it does want to go. Might make us wait for the JOLTS job openings. Stop loss is just below VWAP here. We got 5 minutes until the JOLTS job openings this morning. We'll stay late for you guys because, you guys, this is the people's channel. JOLTS job openings in 5 minutes, okay? Job openings. We want to see people get more jobs. 8.1K. So it's got 7.8 forecast. Okay. The previous one. So going down, but not falling too much. Okay. We don't want it to see it fall too much. We want to see good JOLTS job openings. And if we go higher than 8.1, I think we get a big pump. I think we get a big ass pump. So we'll see how this goes. We want to see it come in above 7.2 8 this morning. Biddy's trying to push. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live or bringing in this. Is BTC going to let me in? I don't think so, Dave. It's going to leave you in the dust, and you're going to have the FOMO all day. I'm kidding, man. I don't know, Dave. You want to get in? For me right now, there's no entry. Up retest or retest of previous highs. That's what you're waiting for. Either here, or you're looking for an SFP swing failure pattern into the news. Get the SFP swing failure. You can short this thing back down. But for now, this is a no trade zone, my friend. You can look for this one. Whoop, the fake out. Okay. Or you can look for the continuation. Or you can flip the coin. It's totally up to you. Oh, man. Looking to hit my third take profit up on this long trade. We'll see how it goes. We got 3 minutes. 3 and a bit. Okay. You guys are incredible. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. No sound on Brewberry's live stream this morning, says Luke Zaldana. Biddy stalling out for the news, getting everybody excited. We are long from down in here. What gave us the idea for the long? Well, we got the beautiful bounce off the golden pocket where we should have been looking for the long after getting stopped out on this rollover. Getting a little bit ambitious this morning on that long. Shouldn't have taken it. Hindsight's always clear. Pushing up in here, you can see the strength come in here on the volume. Okay, this candle, no, but yes, baby, yes. This one right in here, beautiful push out and up. Biddy's not going here. Biddy's rolling over. The Bitcoin trying to push. But you can see the volume coming into this move, the strength in this move, V-shaped recovery, continuation, flag out, breakout, got long. So far up $400. We'll look for this to continue to push. 339 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. I do appreciate all the great people in here. You guys are all into soccer and football. Okay. You keep your view up on the daily. What are your expectations for jobs? I think jobs is going to come in positive. 1 minute. I think we come in higher than 7.8. That would be my prediction. And I ain't no fundamental analysis, so don't ever... if you need fundamental analysis, you go over to the Piper Academy, Army Piper, who's on... I normally send this show to his show. He's very good at... He was a data analyst. I think they say analyst in Texas. He's got a Texas accent. Talks like Matthew McConaughey. But he's very good with the fundamentals. It's not my forte. Whenever I have questions about the fundamentals, I always ask Piper. I try to understand them as best as I can, but it's not part of my interests, right? You got to understand where your strengths are. I press buy and sell successfully. I scalp. Sometimes my scalps turn into lucrative swings. We'll see. Here we go. Coming in hot and ready. Jobs. Come on, baby. Print the money. Bitcoin 7.6. It comes in down. Comes under. So see, that's why I don't do fundamental analysis. Jobs coming down. Ooh, that might be ugly for the Bitcoin price action here. We'll see how it reacts. Jolting the market. NASDAQ. Whoa, NASDAQ's ripping. This is bullish for NASDAQ. Okay, we're bullish then. This means they're going to cut rates because there's less jobs being created. It means they're going to cut rates, which is bullish. That's what I would assume. Is that correct? Let me know in the chat. Because jobs are coming down, That means they need to cut rates in order for them to stimulate, which is bullish for the economy. Okay, sweep of the highs here. Nothing for the NASDAQ here. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. Okay, coming back down. Let me know what you guys think about this news data coming out this morning. What do you guys think? Tell me all about the news. Yes, yes. Less job openings equals more people in jobs, no? That's not how we sound from Texas, bro. Like, at all. See? Warren G, we need to get you on the microphone. This is how we sound in Ontario. This is Ontario accent. Toronto. Okay? NASDAQ not pushing. Bitcoin not pushing. Nothing burger. Okay, nothing burger this morning. My friends, we got a nothing burger. What can we do about that? Well, you can look to re-enter, retest the previous highs. You can look for a VWAP retest, continuation trade. You can look for a flag breakout and continuation as well. Okay, we do have quite a bit of liquidity below us, so be cautious. Okay, we have pushed quite aggressively. 95, 200 if we are going to roll over. Right now, Biddy is struggling. Biddy is struggling. Swing down below, hitting VWAP right now. Okay, bounce out of here. Here's Dave Digital's long. Coming at Dave Digital right here. Buy. Let's see how it works out. This is the Dave Digital long here. Retest of the previous support level. I told you revisit our previous highs. You're up now, Dave. Take profit one hit, right? Right, Dave? Stop loss below VWAP. Come on, Dave. This is the Dave trade. This is the Dave trade. We're fitting it in for Dave. Looking for the bounce. Can it go? 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 How low can you go? How low can you go? Maybe you're waiting for VWAP. It's changing all the time. Wild, wild day. We'll see if it does bounce here off of the revisit of previous highs in here. We know we got some support in here. We like to see like established lows, higher low. Now we've put in 3 lower lows. The Dave Digital trade coming down. Some people says it's coming down. Some people says it's going up. Got to really I got to filter out the chat a bit more in my head. I've been doing a poor job of that. I mean, I trust your guys' analysis, but I also need to remember that I've been doing a really good job the past couple months trading live with you guys, and I think I'll continue to do that job as long as I stay true to my strategy and myself. And that's it. That's it. A great, great trading day today. I'll tell you that. Lots of lessons, lots of fun, a little bit of pain, a little bit of pleasure, right? Oh, man. Thank you, everybody, so much for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. Subscribe if you're new. Come over and hang out in the Discord, all that good stuff. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful trading day. Be safe out there. Use good risk management. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.